whakaalawhātu makau. E aho nei ko e whelewea mō mga whauhaku. Ke celebrate me tuwhi whine haku a whanau. Whitu o wholu a pongi. Pau whelewea e aho nei ke maeke mo tolu, a tawa mo tolu ke whelewea aho nei, aho tapu. Sup peeps, we are here at Merfield. My mum's 70th birthday tomorrow, but we were catching up today because it's a Sunday afternoon. Catching up, we're having a shared lunch with the fams. Have a look at a shared lunch here. Got some sushi, KFC,
chicken salad,
someone salad,
camembert.
and oh, what do we got here? Oh, bit of a birthday
Well, you said it
unwrapping.
was a healthy meal.
Oh, what the? Oh, tauika.
And then we have more sushi here.
Oh, nice. Very good. Blessings from Niue. So we're all here. Oh, got some photos up here. What's that?
Look at it.
Oh, yeah? Who did this?
Woman.
Oh.
Family.
Oh, yeah. That's before the house, eh?
Are they at a party in Shore?
That's where your movie?
Yeah. That's when I had
Yeah, Merit.
the Merit, Eula Elijah, Eula Jackson,
Yeah.
Tuataha James, Pixia Hitene,
Langham.
Langham, Pixia.
I like this. I like
Oh, Alofi.
this one.
Oh, yeah.
Bahman COVID day.
And that
Sweet.
talking about that.
21st of Jordan.
Wow.
On that one. On that.
Oh, what's that?
Oh. And just like that. Oh, here we go.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I hope you have a good 70th. Kunuena afanao.
Hi. Happy birthday.
Yeah, brother, how are you? Good, mum.
Oe he o he o mai ke whakatau i tusi whakafiafia tau tōru. Ka mene mai haka pēo hala tōru ni ka wahaka ka tautari ka whakawela. Whai kupu na kai ka kaya tau tōru po ka wahonga i te tangata. E oke, whai kupu. Mai gauge, recording. Whakatau i masene nao, yeah.
Whakarawhai atu ki a tautolo osi. I just want to say to Mum, Marawene Ako Whanau Hao, 70 years tomorrow, but we're here together to celebrate a little bit earlier today, the day before, because it's nice for all of us to be here together. Thank you, Mum, for having us here. Thank you for everything you've done for us. 7 children, and we're all here today, and we're just here to celebrate with you. Thank you for all the years that you've spent, and the sacrifices you've made, you and Dad, working hard to raise us, especially for you. I know education is, really been really important. I think that's part of the reason why, we've all been quite successful, especially in, education, because that's so important for you to make sure that we're all well educated. And a couple of us are teachers too. So on behalf of my family, I'm here today with my 2 oldest boys, Jordan and Kingston, and we've just come straight from church, and then Peter will come later on with the twins who are heading here. So Mum, on behalf of my family, Eric Lang Tupu family, just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. We love you. Thank you for everything. And Moruina of Whanau Hao and that's it. Randy.
for the opportunity to say something. Thank you for everyone being here today and bringing all the food that's in front of us. It all looks super healthy, as the message said. So yeah, very grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And to the birthday girl, happy birthday. You know, happy 70th. Yeah, as Sandy was saying, you know, education is important. I think education is not all just an academic thing. It's also educating us and getting together like this as well. Someone was talking to me about it the other day. It's the hanga whakamotu. And it's important for us to get together, and hopefully we can do this more. So those short words, thank you very much. Happy birthday, all the best, and yeah, all the best to everyone as well. Thank you.
Your turn, 1 minute. Oh, Tuda. We don't want this on Facebook because this is public speak everything. Thank you for attending all our events, supporting the events. Thank you for raising us. Thank you for still raising me and Stevenson, your 8th child. Grateful for everything that you do for us, and Stevenson will carry on.
Everything's already said on the card. Love you always, Nana. Thank you.
Okay. Should we read our card?
Yeah.
No. We got 1 minute. 1 minute's over. 1 minute's over. Okay, Missy, 1 minute.
1 minute? I was going to start off in 1981, but I'll just move it on. Thank you, Mum, for everything that you've done. 70 years has gone by so fast, and it's still kind of unbelievable that you're 70 already, because there's been so many things that have happened, and you're still such a good role model for us. You're still so active. And I'm very pleased and I'm very happy for you that you're able to find this time in your life to enjoy yourself. I think what I've noticed over the past few years that you don't care about us anymore, which is good. From that sense that you let us just go off and do our own things, and we have to find our own way, and I think that it's a really good thing for us to learn in this life, that we must move ahead in a way that makes us happy and makes us proud and makes us think of ourselves also. So it's like, not that you don't care, it's that you love us so much that you let us free. So thank you very much, Mum, for everything that you've done for us. May God bless you. May you continue to live another 30 years, because I think you said you wanted to live until you were 100. So may you do so, and may you continue to be blessed with that. God bless you always. Love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stephanie,
you're just in time. 1 minute. Okay? 1 minute.
A speech for you?
1 minute to say something.
I think I just want to say a big, huge happy birthday. If all my siblings I trust will have already said everything amazing about you. But how old are you, Mum? 70 years old. I hope that we can all look as young and as trim and slim as you. For these years, they were still, looking good and healthy. I think my key thing for today is I'll save my words for the Chris.
Okay.
And also, Mum, I just want to say that you already know that we love you all the same, but we grew up to show that through our actions and through what we give you, not what we say. Words are cheap. That's why I find it really difficult to talk sometimes, because I think the most important thing is what we do. All right, thank you, everyone.
Mului ni ako whanau hao, whakolahi e ngā hoa hao, mo whakalofa hao. Whakolahi. Mai ki e whakaako mai, wanga hau ni we, le veke mo tolu, le veke matua taane hako, le veke tau lafu hako mo tau tamu hako. Whiawhelahi au mai ki while we aho tapu, tu mau, ke kai pongi pongi, whakoe tau kai. Yeah.
Hey there.
Manu tu Tagaloa! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy 70th! Thank you for everything that you've done for us, for raising me, never giving up. Thank you for the land in Niue, and we have a nice house. My kids are not here, but I brought my dog. Here he is here. Really happy to see everyone. I'm glad we can celebrate 70 and looking forward to another 30 more years to celebrate your life. So, yeah, good luck at the casino.
On behalf of Millfield,
Yeah.
what now? Thank you, Sebastian. Still part of the family. Happy birthday, Auntie. Thank you. Thank you for being here for us, from thick and thin, up and down, for the good and the bad. May you have all the enjoyment in life that comes towards you. Kaya, happy birthday.
Thank you, Sipa. Yeah, go it. Also, Flora, happy birthday to you. Yay! And also, James, you celebrated first or second?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Oh,
Yes,
oh,
first
okay.
of May.
Yeah, Thursday.
Second of May.
Okay, Rene, you want to say something before we don't need the time?
Alafo hea tu ke mtulu osi ko hoko mai ke whakawhiawhia mana te a whanau he mtu sene kei na nai fi te tamahana ni whanau nā behe ko i tangata mtaki au
It's all right, Mother. It's okay, Uncle. It's okay.
ai whanau hawi ka Uro tapan whaiwhi ni tōre taha koe aho ni whiriwia maua koe pari kōri whara te au I
Rawatimi.
Ever since then, I didn't let her go. I went to her house, get on with her brother and her mother, and Flora. We stayed together. I wasn't good.
It's all right, Dad.
I stayed there all my life. I never went back home. I had a Honda 300, and it was taking her to work at the library.
My name was
There's
Mitsubi
not
Honda.
much to say, but thank you to all the 7 kids and all the grandchildren. Thank you so much for keeping our family going. In times like this, we need you guys to get together. Yeah. Okay. I wish, I pray to the Lord that He'll give you happy, long life and many ways to come. And all the children, thank you for popping around here. Elijah, I've seen you a lot of time this week. Thanks for coming, son. Yeah, and also thanks to Wilma for taking care of all our bills and to get the house running. And the only thing in my mind now is the development of our new homes, and whoever's in it, I think you're very lucky because you're only paying for your own house. And I think Mum and I will have a little envelope each, but that's on the side. Yeah, nothing much to say, but you look at her, how old is she? She looks like 50.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank God for that. And,
Sisters.
because she don't drink alcohol, she don't smoke. Remember that. Yeah. Look after yourselves and your families. All right, we're looking forward to the cruise. May God bless us all until we go home safely. When are you?
Now, if anything happened to me, I want to be cremated.
Yeah!
And then take me back to Mahaheke with my grandmother. That's where my final place. So, yeah, and if you are not here in New Zealand, don't bother coming back. You know, the timing that we see each other is important. But that's my wish, for you to know that anything happened to me, that I want to be cremated, and whoever goes to Niue can take my ashes back to Niue and bury it at Mahaheke. So, That's it. So when I passed away, there's no need to say what's happening to her. Just do the ashes. And also, if it's
bury next to
the old my
Across the
grandmother.
road in Makaheke.
Across the road in Makaheke.
with or next to?
No, next
Space
to.
in there.
Next to. Yeah, next to. Haya, whakawelahi ma whanau.
Somebody here want to say something?
Lani, what did you say? Oh, thank you, Lani. Grandma have a heart full of love. Oh, thank you. Oh, wait, you're going to So,
Whakalokatu, yeah, o share kai. Everyone is whakaoe warmer for organising. Yeah. So this is all that's left.
Aftermath.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's one piece still there.
Yeah. All right. We're just setting up the cake now.
That's one for us.
The wahoo fish from Niue. Damn. That was nice. All of it was nice. So we're just all getting ready to discuss our boat cruise plans. Everyone's just having a game. Everyone's burning it off. Everyone's learning some skills. But yeah, hopefully we'll talk about the boat cruise, which is in July. Ooh, I just ate salad, fish, pumpkin, and chicken.
What a pot.
Oh yeah, okay. Whakaoe, whiwhi lahi kau. Whilawea, tō whilawea.
Oh wow, nice photo. It's the party girls. Where's all the grandkids? Where all the grandkids?
oh my,
Come on, all the grandkids.
don't know what's going on.
Grandkids only.
Ice cream is dripping.
Can you move the balloons up? Yeah, move the balloons up. Come across. Sorry, come across. Fix. Hey, squash in. Move forward, Stevenson. Come to the front here.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Monuina yafanau. Monuina yafanau. Monuina yafanau. Monuina yafanau. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Tukurua!
Make a wish.
No, Hannah.
Oh, another wish.
You can do it.
You go, honey.
Everybody from your 7 taonga. Your 7 treasures of the earth. And all their kids.
And black and white.
Oh!
7 placentas.
7%.
No, just open, lift the lid. Lift the lid, the lid.
Wow.
What is it?
Read it out. No, there's nothing.
Oh! Piano Pacific Explorer. Wow!
Yay!
Wow! Thank you, kids. Thank you. God bless you. We made a good Lord above return to you abundance.
All right, have a good look around the room. Everybody here, inside and outside of the house, is going to be on the cruise!
Mike.
1 years old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Flora. Happy birthday to you. Monuina yafanau.
whanau. Monuina ia whanau. Monuina ia whanau.
Now Eden!
Monuina ia whanau. Monuina ia whanau. Monuina ia whanau. Step. Oh, bully. Kope, kope toto malianga to akie. Ha toto. Ona kike kaitangata. Fano. Como tona.